What is going on, folks? This is the KODAK CHARMERA. This came out of the left field for me because I found this out through a friend that actually bought some. So anyway, basically guys, KODAK has come out with a blind box kind of situation here. Now this is a real working mini camera that's in this box, okay? But the aesthetic is what people are going for. Now there are a few different models of this. Hopefully this one right here will tell you. But yeah, they have about 7 different models, and there's a secret one that they won't tell you. So there's one in here right now. There's 7 style total. So I'm going to unbox this one today so that you guys can see my luck of getting one of these design right here. And then at the same time, I am going to run out, do a little test with this little camera and see if it's worth getting. Well, you guys already know about this, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so here's the blind box unboxing of the KODAK CHARMERA. Which one do I want? Now here's the thing, I actually want the original right there, or the translucent, which is, I believe that's the secret one right there. So hopefully I get one of those. You can buy a whole set of this if you want, but right, here you go. Which one will it be? I got the blue one. Not disappointed, not disappointed at all, but this is so wild though. It's so small in the hand. Wow. Anyway, yeah guys, this is the camera right here. See, micro SD card slot going to there. It does not come with a micro SD card slot, just an FYI on that one. Comes with a little keychain over here, USB-A to USB-C cord to charge this thing up. Now obviously the battery is not removable, FYI on that one. I don't know how long the battery will last you, but I'm pretty sure you can pry this thing open and change it out. See here, it looks like there's a power button and a little option button up on top there. This is obviously they want to take pictures. You can peek through this little hole right here. Let me see if I can get it up close for you guys. You can kind of see it through there, I mean through here, but anyway, super cool. Look how tiny the little hole is. How big do you think the sensor is in there, huh? Anyway, that's all that they have right there. Now let's talk about the screen that's over here. So let's go ahead and turn that on. It's got the play button, and that's the on screen right there. Select mode. You want video, you want photo, or you want to go options. So let's go to options. The play button is the yes, I want to do something button. I want both photo and video, so some of you that don't care about video, you can actually turn that off. That's pretty cool. Year, month, and date. This looks weird to me, so I'm gonna day, month, and year. Yeah, I think I'm gonna select that. Set date. Yeah, so I'm gonna go this, guys, since I'm in here anyway, right? Okay, and that's it. And then the other option on here is just to format your card. That is it. So I'm gonna find a card, I'm gonna throw it in there, and then we're gonna play around with this thing.
Do you believe in the things you see, or the things you see in your dreams, or the things you feel that make you breathe? The world always turning, it don't need me to do what it's doing, or to stop what I'm pursuing. But when you wake up to what you're doing, you won't stop what you're pursuing. Do you see me when you see me in your dreams, or the things you feel that make you breathe? Do you believe up to what you're doing. You won't stop what you're pursuing. I've been chasing time to get more.